Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a Rode Wireless Me microphone. I'm purchasing this one because of my YouTube video voice comes to more clear for my audience. That's why I'm purchasing this Rode Wireless Me microphone. This product price is 1100 Danish krona. I'm purchasing this product from local supermarket Power Store based on Copenhagen, Denmark. What is new of this one? This one is one of the best way to two-way interview communication because of we receive to one receiver and transformer, two types of microphone, works with the computer and smartphones, Android and iPhone, as well as Windows and Mac laptop as well. Free road video and audio apps they are providing. So which types of content I am receiving here, we will see detailed demonstration in unboxing. So now let's start the unboxing. This is a Wireless Me product, and I just simply cut out the here. Inside the box we received two transformer, and now box is empty. So here is a magic booklet as usual we receive every time. Here they are providing one good quality of pouch. So inside the pouch you can very easily use this device, and this is our own product. That one is a really interesting. One is a transformer and one is a receiver. TX from transformer and RX from receiver. You can connect this one from camera and attach from the human person. So here made in Australia brand, and here this is the one. Inside this one we can see what we receive here. So oh, perfect. Inside this box we receive one sticker and one lightning C to C cable and one lightning C to iPhone device. You can connect here iPhone 14 less than iPhone 14, so 15 Pro Max you can use this one here. And two mic jack also, lightning mic jack they are providing. You can use this one from different types of Redmi or other mobile devices, otherwise DSLR and cameras. Those two products, that one is used. And how to connect, they are providing different types of magic booklet as well. So these are the product. This is a, you can use this one for filter point of view. Here simply attach here properly. First of all you can do this and then attach like this. So this one is attached. It's easy and easy to remove. This is our product. We can remove this one. This one is this. So it's easy. Now we can start here. So now this one is a start and this one is not start. So first of all you need, if you want connect this device, so both are green light is coming here. So how to activate this green light we need? So first time configuration point of view, you need to connect your mobile phone. This is my iPhone 14 Pro, and connect here the one device. So and after that open here the application. The application are asking you the update because of this one is a new microphone, so probably first time you need to upgrade or update this device. So it's very couple of minutes you can spend and update very easily. Do not unplugging any of your device. So look at this, the automatically is a shutdown. This one again restart and working is process is going on. This is just only first time, you just once configure and then you can very easily now require TX. So I just simply remove this one and I can connect this one. So look at this, again this one is updation is going on. Wait couple of seconds. So first time you need to do this configuration before using this microphone, because of sometimes is not connected. Now it's done. So look at this, one device is coming here. I just simply turn it on here. This one, 1 2 3, so now is on, and here the yellow light is showing, it means both devices is not connected. I just simply remove this one and connect this device, because of this one is a receiver. And now I just simply on this device also. So this device and this device is not connected here. So look at this, I connect one device here in the cable and both devices are on here. Look at this, green light is showing here, but here is a yellow light is showing. So we need to pair this via this application. So here both devices are showing here, unpair and the pair. I just simply pairing, and this light is automatically showing as a green. If the light is showing green, it means both devices are connected and you can use very easily. So guys, if you really like this unboxing of Rode Wireless Me product, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.